Hello friends, welcome back to my platform Take W3Web. This is Vijay Kumar. I am a career branding coach and Salesforce trainer. Friends, today's session it is very important for that developer. They are ready to learn LWC. I know there are so many developers. They are working hard. They know Apex class. They know trigger. They deliver multiple projects. But whenever some task assigned regarding LWC, they not able to work. They get panic. They get nervous because they very comfortable to work in configuration customization. They know Apex class. But if team lead assign a small task regarding the LWC component, they not able to deliver. They always asking from another one team member that know already LWC. They requesting to other person, please help me how to create a component, how to create a features. Because friends, LWC it is not a only Apex class method. It is a combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Apex class method. There are so many developers working hard. They deliver already multiple projects. They work on multiple clients as well. But they don't know LWC. Today time, it is a very demandable for LWC developer. Because friends, if you working any kind of domain in Salesforce development, sometime you have to use LWC component. If you working on Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Community Cloud, Marketing Cloud, any kind of domain you working in project, sometime you have to use LWC component. Some of developer know Apex class, trigger, flow builder, but not able to work LWC. Because LWC it is a not only Apex class method, not a configuration part. LWC it is not a configuration part. LWC you have to write HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how to call Apex class method, and so many things you have to know about. So that there are so many developer panic if you get task about the LWC components. I know some developer working hard, some developer deliver multiple project, but due to lack of LWC component, lack of knowledge about LWC, they miss so many opportunity. Because today time company asking not only Apex class, they asking about LWC, how to work. Let's suppose giving an example. There is a one developer working hard. There are so many project delivered. They are humble person. They are always ready to support each other. But whenever they sitting front of the interview panel, they asking the question LWC. They asking the question, tell me in which project and why you create LWC component. They are stuck because they prepare the question of LWC but not prepare where I use, in which project I use and why I use LWC component. Because in the Salesforce there are features create, insert, update, delete. This is a standard features. So if Salesforce provided standard feature how to insert, update, delete the record, but why you use LWC component in project? That time they are stuck. Friends, if you not working in LWC, you will always stuck. You will lose the opportunity. Because friends, today company demand not only Apex class, not only trigger, not only configuration, they also demand LWC. Because LWC it is not a standard, it is not a configuration part. You have to know each and everything. If you creating a component, you should learn how does work CSS property. You should learn about CSS property. You should learn HTML structure. You should learn function of the JavaScript. Then how to call Apex class method into the LWC component. You have to know each and everything. So that so many developers are stuck in. So many developers get panic if they have assigned some small task in LWC. Friends, if you sitting in front of the interview panel, they only not listening your answer. They judging you your confidence level. They will ask you share your screen and write the scenario in LWC. If you only watching the tutorial, if you only enroll the course from anyone and not completed the course, if you only using the chat GTP, that means you consuming only theory part. If you have only theory part, not practice, not keep practice every day practically, then you will always miss the opportunity. Friends, if you using LWC, you work in LWC, your confidence level automatically boost and you will be able to speak fluently, confidently. Either you not speak fluently in English, but if you speak slowly, calmly and confidently, it is okay. But someone not keeping practice in LWC, only they watching tutorials, they go to the YouTube, watching so many content. Someone already enrolled some courses, but not completed. Friends, today time, the LWC developer very demandable. If you learn LWC, there are so many opportunity, there are so many doors will open for you. If you not learning LWC, you will lose so many opportunity. Friends, I have worked different clients live project in office. I know how does work LWC. Basis on my personal experience, I work on live project scenario in office. I work different clients. I work on national and international clients. I created so many LWC component in project. So I have experience. So basis on that experience, I will teach you. So in Tech W3Web platform, I designed 5-day live training session for LWC. Not trigger, not flow, not configuration, not REST API integration. Here I will focus only learn LWC. So friends, in the Tech W3Web platform, I designed 5-day live masterclass session. This live 5-day masterclass session for that developer, they are serious to learn LWC. This is not for expert. If you already expert in LWC, this masterclass not for you. If you are beginner, intermediate, you have basic knowledge about Salesforce and LWC, this masterclass golden opportunity for you. In this masterclass, 5 days workshop, there are only 15 seats are available. Not seats are unlimited. This is a free of cost. This 5 days masterclass I designed for the supporting and helping purpose. For that developer, they really want to learn and grow. They want to learn and grow and hike their salary. Friends, this masterclass only for you if you beginner, if you intermediate level, yeah, you have no basic. This master class only for you. If you already know LWC, if you are expert in LWC, this master class not for you. So if you really want to learn basic level to advanced level LWC, how does work? In this video description, there is a link, registration link. Don't wait, don't late. Register for my 5-day live training of LWC. Friends, in this live training LWC, I will teach you each and everything, not copy and paste, not theory. I will write each and every function in front of you. I will teach you how to create a function and why I create function. Here I will focus on why. If I creating a variable, I will teach you why I create variable. If I create a function and inside the function I passing the parameter, I will teach you why I passing the parameter. Here I am not focusing on how. I will focus on why. I will create HTML, CSS property. I will teach you why I create a HTML property. Why declare late. Why declare constant variable. Each and everything I will teach you. It is a not a theory. It is a 100% practical. I decided 5-day live masterclass, not 1 day, 2 days, because In 1 day or 2 day, I will not cover each and everything. In 5 days, I will cover so many things. So if you are fresher, if you are beginner, if you are intermediate level, this 5 day masterclass, it is a golden opportunity for you. So don't wait, don't delay. Only 15 seats are available. In masterclass, I will allow only 15. So in the 15 developer, they really interested, they really serious to learn LWC. You have to commitment from yourself. You have to join 5 day continuously. 5 day continuously you have to join. Then you register. Otherwise, not register this webinar. So I am looking for that developer. They really learn LWC. They really serious to learn LWC. Because if you learn LWC, you will get so many opportunity. There are so many doors open for you. So friends, don't forget. Thank you so much for giving me time. I will look forward in live session to you. Don't forget to register this masterclass live session. Thank you so much. Thanks once again. Thanks a lot. Thank you.